When you have memorized the white keys, it is important to understand the concept of the black keys and the relation to the white key notes. These can be tricky to understand at first. We will learn without being too technical. The reason it may be hard to understand is because the black keys can be referenced as sharps or flats. Make sure you understand why a sharp is a sharp before moving on to flats. What is a sharp? In music, a sharp is when you go up in pitch. The easy way I remember this is by seeing it as sharpening the sound. A sharp is identified by a hashtag sign. Also, a sharp is an accidental. An accidental is a sign indicating a momentary departure from the key signature by raising or lowering a note. These accidentals are important to know and learn, even if you aren't going to learn to read sheet music. I feel it is important to know these because you will most likely encounter them most often than any other music notation, especially sharps and flats. All these will be explained in upcoming videos. We went over the white keys. They contain 7 letters of the alphabet. The black keys contain the same letters with a sharp symbol. There are 5 sharps: C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. A semitone is the smallest interval used in classical Western music, equal to a 1/12 of an octave or half a tone. From the example below, from C, a semitone or half step up to the right, giving you C sharp. Going to the right is sharpening the sound. Learn the sharps. Going back to this image, let's go over the sharps. The black keys represent these sharps. An easy way to learn the sharps is to look at the white note directly to the left of the sharp you want to play. The first black key, a semitone to the right of C, is C sharp. The second black key, a semitone to the right of the D key, is D sharp. The third black key, a semitone to the right of the F key, is F sharp. The fourth black key, a semitone to the right of the G key, is G sharp. And lastly, the fifth black key, a semitone to the right of the A key, is A sharp. Notes without sharps. The only keys without any black keys next to them is E and B. These 2 notes don't have sharps. Remember, no black keys, no sharps. Important note. Music is complex. People interpret it in many ways. Although the notes E and B don't have sharps, if you ever hear someone reference E sharp, just know they are talking about an F note. Vice versa with C being B sharp. What's next? Good job on learning the sharps. Memorize them. Next, we will learn about flats in the next video.